Time now for this hour's car review. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma. Available trim levels are the SR, the SR5, the TRD Pre-Runner, the TRD Sport, the TRD Off-Road, the Limited, the TRD Pro, and the top of the line, a new thing, the Trail Hunter. I had the TRD Off-Road 4x4 double cab. This is considered a small pickup truck. And let me just define what TRD stands for. Toyota Racing Development. Why they came up with that, I don't know. You can use your imagination as to why I don't particularly care for that term, but whatever. Seating 5, redesigned for 2024. Wow, and what a redesign. Stout front end and grille with big shoulders over the wheel well openings. If you want a stout truck, this is it. Skid plate with integrated fog lights in the lower grille. Angular design elements to the exterior of the rear bed. Front and rear lighting is modern and designed to add a new look. What I liked about it, even the base SR model exudes toughness. Really. You look at these pictures and you go and look at this thing, you're going to go, wow, he was right. Interior highlights, modern, useful design with a great big 14-inch infotainment screen, which was an option, but that's okay, get it. Optional two-tone colors really make the interior pop. And those are available on certain trim levels, of which I already told you there's over a half dozen. Comfortable seating, the four-wheel drive, continuous position, the four-wheel drive controls are positioned on the center console, makes it easy to adjust and maneuver. Gauge cluster display is changeable. The bed has a 110-volt outlet for your portable AC unit when you're out and about. What I liked, the redesign can now compete or exceed others in its class. Engine, no more V6, it's not even offered. It's a 2.4-liter Turbo 4. Comes in 2 horsepower ratings. We had the 278 horsepower, top-of-the-line one. The base has 228 horsepower, which is plenty for most people. 243 pound-feet of torque, 8-speed automatic transmission, a 3,500-pound tow rating, and a hull rating of 1,445 pounds. Miles per gallon, 19 city, 23 highway for a combined of 21. I got 20.6 miles per gallon over 263 miles. It has plenty of power, especially that 278 horsepower when you got an 8-speed automatic transmission. What could use improvement? Nothing. Electric assist will boost horsepower, and I would imagine that is in the works as a hybrid. Ride and handling, what I liked, for off-road, it's not too stiff for everyday drivers. It does go off-road, and from what I read, I did not go off-road with this. From what I've read, it gets rave reviews off-road capability. What could use improvement? Air ride suspension option, question mark. Base trim price, $42,900. Prices tested $54,829. But remember, this is right up there at the top of the lineup. Base model price. You can get into one of these with the 228 horsepower motor for $33,700. I think it's good.
Wow.
Competitors, Chevy Colorado for $29,500. Ford Ranger, $32,670. These are starting prices. And the Jeep Gladiator, $37,895. Tacoma Off-Road gets an A+ from me.
Very
and
cool.
That's my review of the 2024 Toyota Tacoma.
Stout
Have you had it yet,
truck.
Mars?
No, I hadn't, but I really like the way it looked.
I do too.
I do too.
They've done a great job with this. All right. If you'd like to get in touch with us, shoot us an email. The address is info@inwheeltime.com. We're back.